Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Depending on which program you are printing from, the options that you may have for printing can vary slightly. But in general, there are some things that you can almost always change about the printing options. A common choice is the number of copies. In most programs, you can set the number of copies that you would like to print in the dialog box. You may also see a choice for the setting Print Range. Most programs allow you to print all, some, or just one of the pages in your document. You may also be able to select Collate. This allows you to print off multiple collated copies. Based on your printer you select, you may have to check or uncheck this box. Once you have set any available printing options that you have via your program, simply click OK to start printing your documents. Note that you can click on the Properties button in the Print dialog box to access additional printer settings. Click on OK to return to the Print dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.